Hello, my beautiful glow babies. I'm so excited to have you here with me today. Whether you're a longtime fan or just stumbled across our cozy corner of the internet, this is a space where we celebrate self-expression, creativity, and of course, all things beauty. So grab your favorite drink, settle in, and let's get ready to have some fun together. Today, we're diving into one of my absolute favorite internet trends, the GRWM or Get Ready With Me video. If you've ever wondered what it's like to get ready alongside your favorite creators, this is your chance to experience it firsthand. GRWM videos are like a virtual sleepover where you're invited into someone's personal space. You get to see their real routines, hear their stories, and share in the little moments that make getting ready so special. It's not just about the makeup, it's about the connection. There's something magical about watching someone laugh with a friend, share a secret tip, or just be themselves in front of the camera. GRWM videos break down the barrier between celebrities and us, making everyone feel like part of the same glam squad. You see the bare face, the little imperfections, and the genuine process of transformation. It's a reminder that beauty isn't about perfection. It's about embracing who you are, flaws and all, and having fun with the process. These aren't just tutorials, they're stories filled with personal tips, favorite products, and a sense of community. You might pick up a new technique, discover a product you've never tried, or just feel inspired to try something bold and new. The best part? Anyone can join in. All you need is your phone, some makeup, and your personality. You don't need fancy equipment or a huge following, just a willingness to share your unique style and have a good time. It's a celebration of individuality and creativity, where everyone learns from each other. No matter your background, your look, or your skill level, there's a place for you here. We lift each other up, swap tips, and cheer on every bold experiment. And today, we're making this our own special GRWM session as we explore the world of waterproof makeup. Whether you're prepping for a pool party, a rainy day, or just want your look to last all night, waterproof products are total game changers. I'll be sharing my favorite waterproof essentials, showing you how to apply them for a flawless finish, and giving you tips to make your look last through anything life throws your way. So get your brushes ready, gather your favorite products, and let's glow together. This is your moment to shine, and I can't wait to see what you create. Let's talk about a true makeup superhero waterproof formulas. Waterproof makeup resists water, sweat, humidity, and even tears, keeping your look flawless all day. It's not just for the beach. Think long workdays, weddings, or nights out dancing. Celebrities rely on waterproof products for red carpets and concerts, but it's just as powerful for everyday confidence. Today's formulas are lightweight, breathable, and packed with skin-loving ingredients. No more heavy, cakey makeup, just comfort and durability. Whether you have oily skin or just want your makeup to last, waterproof products are a game changer. They let you live your life without worrying about touch-ups. That's the power of makeup, elevated. If you want to see a master at work, watch Lady Gaga's GRWM videos. She created a flawless waterproof look using just one brush, proving you don't need a million tools. Gaga's routine features her House Labs products, known for being clean, innovative, and long-lasting. She uses a dual-ended brush for both foundation and concealer, creating a seamless, airbrushed finish. For a healthy glow, she applies a multi-use blush balm stick to cheeks and lips. Her look is cohesive, quick, and effortlessly chic. She finishes with a waterproof liquid eyeliner for that signature sharp wing. Gaga shows that with the right formulas and a little creativity, you can achieve a professional, long-lasting look with minimal effort. It's truly inspiring. Now let's talk about Billie Eilish, a true test of sweatproof makeup. When you think of someone who needs their makeup to last through anything, Billie is at the top of the list. Her concerts are high energy, with bright lights, dancing, and hours on stage. That means her makeup has to be as resilient as she is. On tour, Billie's routine is all about reliable products that enhance her natural features and last through intense performances. She doesn't just want to look good at the start of the night. Her makeup needs to stay fresh, no matter how many songs she sings or how much she moves. She uses semi-permanent brow ink for faux freckles, which gives her that playful, youthful look and won't smudge or fade under stage lights or sweat. It's a clever way to add character to her face while keeping things low maintenance. Brown eyeliner is her go-to for soft definition. Unlike harsh black, it creates a gentle frame for her eyes, making them pop without looking overdone. It's subtle, but it makes a big difference, especially up close. And of course, a lengthening mascara is key for her signature look. Long, fluttery lashes open up her eyes and add drama, but the formula she chooses is smudge-proof and built to last through hours of performing. Her genius lip trick? She starts with a peel-off stain for all-day color, then outlines with a creamy liner to define her lips and prevent feathering. This combo means her lips stay vibrant and perfectly shaped, even after singing her heart out. To lock in that color, she dusts on a bit of translucent powder. This not only sets the stain and liner, but also keeps her lips from feeling sticky or heavy, so she can focus on her performance. Billy's approach is practical and authentic, focused on comfort and durability, not heavy glam. She wants to feel like herself, whether she's backstage or in front of thousands of fans, and her makeup reflects that. She uses a jelly cheek stain for a natural flush that lasts all night. It blends seamlessly into her skin, giving her a healthy glow without the need for constant touch-ups. And Stronghold Brow Gel is a must to keep everything in place. No matter how much she moves, her brows stay perfectly groomed and expressive. Her routine proves you can have long-wear makeup that feels like you. It's not about hiding behind a mask, it's about enhancing what makes you unique and letting your personality shine through. It's about personal style and performance, no compromise. Billy's makeup is a reflection of her individuality, showing that you don't have to sacrifice comfort for staying power. Take notes. These tips work for anyone, whether you're on stage, at work, or just living your everyday life. With the right products and a few smart tricks, your makeup can last as long as you do. Let's break down the essentials of a truly waterproof makeup look: foundation, concealer, and eyeliner. These three products form the backbone of any long-lasting beauty routine, especially when you want your makeup to stay flawless through rain, sweat, or even a dip in the pool. Whether you're heading to a summer festival, a workout session, or just a long day at work, choosing the right waterproof formulas can make all the difference. A great waterproof foundation creates a smooth, even canvas that resists sweat and humidity. It's designed to lock in coverage without feeling heavy or cakey, so your skin looks natural and fresh all day. When applying, use a damp sponge or brush to blend the product seamlessly into your skin, focusing on areas that tend to get oily or need extra coverage. This step is crucial for building a base that won't budge, no matter what your day throws at you. Waterproof concealer is your secret weapon for brightening under eyes and hiding imperfections. It's especially helpful for those with oily skin or anyone who struggles with makeup creasing or fading throughout the day. Dab a small amount under your eyes, around your nose, or on any blemishes and gently blend. The right concealer will stay put, keeping you looking awake and flawless from morning to night. Many modern waterproof formulas now include skincare benefits like added SPF, hydration, or antioxidants. This means you're not just covering up, you're also caring for your skin while perfecting it. Look for products that nourish and protect, so your makeup routine supports your skin's health in the long run. Eyeliner is a must for defining your eyes, and a waterproof formula ensures your look stays sharp and smudge-free. Whether you prefer a classic pencil, a gel pot, or a liquid pen, waterproof eyeliner glides on smoothly and sets quickly, so you don't have to worry about it transferring or fading. Whether you love a dramatic wing or a soft, subtle line, waterproof eyeliner keeps your look fresh and defined. Experiment with different shapes and styles to find what flatters your eyes best, knowing your liner will last through heat, humidity, and even a few happy tears. When shopping, look for keywords like long wear, water-resistant, or smudge-proof on product labels. These terms signal that the formula is built to last, giving you confidence that your makeup will stay put no matter what the day brings. Today's waterproof products are lightweight and comfortable, so you don't have to sacrifice a natural feel for staying power. You can enjoy a flawless finish without the heavy or sticky sensation that older formulas sometimes left behind. Investing in this trio, foundation, concealer, and eyeliner, means you're setting yourself up for a makeup routine that's reliable, versatile, and ready for anything. These essentials work together to create a polished look that lasts. With a solid, waterproof base, you're ready to face any adventure, rain or shine, with confidence and style. Let's talk about one of my favorite makeup innovations: stains. Cheek and lip stains give you that natural, woke up like this flush that lasts all day. Unlike powders or creams, stains tint your skin for a sheer wash of color that won't budge. They're perfect for hot days, workouts, or any time you need lasting color. Multi-use sticks can be used on both cheeks and lips for a cohesive look. Peel off lip stains like Billie Eilish uses. Leave a vibrant tint that survives eating and drinking. Stains are easy to use. Apply a little for a hint of color, or build it up for more impact. They're perfect for a minimalist, fresh-faced look that lasts. Try one and see how it transforms your routine. Brows frame your face, and keeping them in place all day can be tough, unless you use waterproof products. Billie Eilish's routine is a masterclass. She uses a volumizing pomade for fullness and a stronghold gel to lock brows in place. The result? Fluffy, laminated brows that last through anything. For more definition, try a waterproof pomade or pencil for precise hair-like strokes. Semi-permanent brow inks add a soft tint for a fuller look. Layering products, pomade or pencil to fill, gel to set, is foolproof for all-day brows. No matter your style, there's a long-wear product for you. Find what works for your brow type and desired look. Your brows are a powerful tool of expression. Give them staying power. Unstoppable brows, unstoppable confidence. Now it's your turn to become the artist. No pro skills or endless products required. Use a dual-ended brush for your whole face, or even your fingers for a seamless natural finish. Try Billie's lip trick. Apply color, cover with tissue, and dust with translucent powder for long-lasting lips. Prep is key. Start with clean, moisturized skin and use a primer for extra grip. Finish with a setting spray to lock everything in place. These simple steps make a huge difference in how long your makeup lasts. Have fun, experiment, and don't be afraid to play with new techniques. Makeup is about expressing yourself and feeling amazing. Grab your favorite products and try these tricks today. You've got this. And there you have it, Glow Babies. We've explored GRWM, learned from icons, and picked up the best waterproof tips. Waterproof makeup isn't just for swimming, it's for living confidently every day. Start small, maybe with a waterproof mascara or lip stain, and see how it changes your routine. Makeup is about self-expression and feeling good in your own skin. Whether you're prepping for a big event or just running errands, your look is a celebration of you. Embrace the magic of makeup that lasts and empowers you. I can't wait to see what you create. Show the world your glow. Thank you for getting ready with me today. You are talented, beautiful, and unstoppable. See you in the next one. Bye!